What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get an Instagram API key, also known as an access token, the correct way in 2026. So first, you need a Meta developer account. So simply go to the Meta for Developers website and log in with your Facebook account. Once you're in, you can then click on My Apps and create a new app. So simply choose the app type that fits your use case. So after that, you then have to go to Tools and open the Graph API Explorer. Then select your app and generate a user access token. So once generated, simply copy the access token that's going to be shown on the screen. And if you need long-term access, simply exchange the short-lived token for a long-lived token using the access token endpoint provided in the documentation. And that's it. So you now have your Instagram API access token ready to use. So I really hope you found this insightful. And if you did, then make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.